All right. Hello. Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Phil Dieter. I'm the Governmental Affairs Category Expert for the State Association. I'm a board member. I have a clinic in San Jose, clinic in Morgan Hill. Thanks so much for being on here with us tonight. I wanted to take a minute real quick just to walk everybody through the process of writing a letter to the governor. If you haven't seen this yet, it is an urgent request. It needs to be done by Friday. So please take a minute to do this for us, but I'm going to walk you through it right now. So I want to start, first of all, by taking you to an email that you should have received. If you haven't received this email, please go take a look in your inbox, maybe your promotional folder, maybe your social folder, somewhere. It's coming to you in the same fashion that the weekly adjustment or the weekly newsletter is. It should say urgent request, send a letter to the governor now, and encourage your patients to do the same. You will see the call to action here, okay? So what you want to do is scroll down till we get to this part about instructions to submit a comment as a DC. Now, if you wanted to, you could also encourage patients to submit a comment as well. That would be great if you would take a minute to do that. But let's just go through what we need from chiropractors tonight. It's as simple as copying this message right here, scrolling down, make sure you copy all of it. And then let's go back to the section here where we're going to click on the government's website. Like the email says, we're going to go to the contact section. When we go to select an option, we want to scroll down, like the email says, to Medi-Cal issues and concerns. We want to leave a comment, okay? We are obviously pro for this. And then we're just going to simply paste the message that was pre-written. Now, it is important to go in and make sure you change your name here. So I'm going to put my name, Phil Dieter. I'm a doctor of chiropractic, it says, practicing in the San Jose area. I'm going to put the San Jose area. I'm going to scroll down to make sure that all of the content that's in this message is acceptable. If you want to just leave it as is, you're more than welcome to. If you have personal experience or wanted to add to it, you're more than welcome to. Please try to stick somewhat to the talking points. Let's not get too far off of the talking points that are included here in the letter. You simply need to scroll to the bottom and then make sure you put your name again here with your credentials and hit next. The final piece of the puzzle is to include your contact information here. Most of you have it pre-populated like I do. If you have questions or concerns regarding this, you can see my email and my phone number here. Feel free to text message me, email me, send me a message on Facebook, whatever it takes, and I'll help you walk through the process. You're going to submit, and you are all set. So at that point, your message has been received, and that's all that's really being required for this particular exercise. So hopefully that seemed easy enough and quick enough. Please take a minute to do that. Really appreciate your support. It's super timely. We need to have these in by Friday, so please take a moment to do it now.